How to import bookmarks from Microsoft Edge to Google Chrome. Hi everyone, this is Kit and welcome back to another video, and on today's video we will learn how we can import bookmarks from Microsoft Edge to Chrome. So without further delay, let's get started. For that, first of all, open up a Chrome browser on your device. Now when you export the bookmarks from Edge, it will be displayed right under the section here. So to export bookmarks from Edge, first of all, open up Microsoft Edge in your device. After you open up Microsoft Edge, there you can find all of your bookmark website in this tab here. Now in order to import them, you have to click on this icon just in front of your profile icon at the top right. Click on it. Click on this three dot icon here, and now you have to click on export favorites. Now you have to select the location on your device where you would like to export the bookmark to. For example, I will add it on my desktop, then click on save. Now once you have saved the bookmark from your Microsoft Edge, now what you have to do is open up Google Chrome. Here click on this three dot icon at the top right corner, and here head towards bookmarks and list. Under this you have to click on import bookmarks and settings. From this drop down, select bookmarks HTML file, then click on choose file. Now from your desktop, you have to choose the file that you have created recently from the Microsoft Edge. Here is my file where I have all of the favorites on. Then click on open, and after that click on done, and there you go. Now the favorites or the bookmarks from your Microsoft Edge has been added into the Google Chrome. That's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you are new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.